If you're sneezing every damn day, it might not be your nose. It could be your gut. You blame dust or pollen. But 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. When it's out of whack, it overreacts to normal stuff, even air. This is gut-mediated histamine response. Too much dairy or wheat can trigger it too. So if you're always blowing your nose, stop blaming the seasons. Fix your gut. Probiotics. Fermented foods. Cleaner eating. Your gut's the real allergy boss. Like and subscribe, or keep living that tissue life.